Hello there, and welcome to whole numbers and decimals. So whole number is any number that is not a fraction or a decimal. A whole number is any number that is not a fraction or a decimal. So these two whole numbers in front of us now, 3,291 times 46, we just have to round these numbers and make a suitable approximation. So what I would like to do is to round these numbers as following. So we do 3,000 times by 50. So you can see that the 3,291 has been rounded down to the nearest thousand, and 46 has been rounded up to the nearest tens. So 3,000 multiplied by 50 will give us 150,000, which means we do not need to approximate the answer because the option is already provided for us. Okay, let's try one more question together. So 492 divided by 8.1. So if you did, let's say 500, let's just round this up to 500 divided by 8. Now 500 divided by 8 will give us an answer of 62.5, roughly speaking. 62.5, let's just double check that, make sure that's right. Yes, it is. And now we need to approximate the answer as well. So 62.5, let's just round it down to nearest 10. That means we get 60 as our answer. So why do we use these approximation questions? It's because if you're trying to work out a question through your head very quickly, you can then round them up and down and just approximate your answer to come close to the answer, knowing what the answer roughly would be. Okay, so use the same technique to do the rest of the questions in this task, and we'll follow these up in our next lesson. Good luck.